Another day, another 10 list. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're sharing 10 ideas for Valentine's Day. 1. Weekend stay at a bed and breakfast. 2. Customized couples photo book. 3. Couples spa package. 4. A cooking or baking class for 2. 5. Customized couples song playlist on Spotify. 6. Adventure travel or outdoor excursion. 7. An elegant rooftop dinner with city views. 8. A romantic movie night with a private projector and sound system. 9. Attend a concert or music festival. 10. Participate in a local charity event together. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more listen.